Good morning to all students. In this video, we will discuss the question answer of the chapter Getting to Know Plants. Let's begin. Differentiate between taproots and fibrous root. The differences between taproot and fibrous root are taproot. Taproot are the primary roots that grow vertically downward and give off small lateral roots. Fibrous root. Fibrous root do not have a main root. They are group of similar lateral roots arising at the base of stem. Let's understand this difference with the help of diagram. This is the diagram of taproot and this is the diagram of fibrous root. In taproot, there is a main root. This is the main root, and from this main root, small lateral roots are arising. This type of root is called taproot, and it is found in carrot, bean, and pine. In case of fibrous root, there is no main root. All the roots are arising from the base of the stem. See, they are all arising from the base of stem and there is no main root. Let's move towards another question. Describe the structure of leaf with the help of diagram. The leaf is a green broad part of shoot that arises from the node and has a bud in its axil. The leaf is attached to the stem by a stalk called petiole. The broad flat green part of the leaf is called lamina. The petiole continues in the leaf as midrib. The midrib branches into thread-like structure called veins. The veins transport water and minerals to the leaf. The design or pattern of veins in a leaf blade is called leaf venation. Let's understand this with the help of diagram. This is petiole, and by this the leaf is attached to the stem. This broad green color part is lamina. We called it leaf blade as well. These are the veins which are arising from the midrib. The center line is the midrib. Veins helps in transport and minerals to the leaf, and the pattern of the veins in a leaf blade is known as leaf venation. This whole pattern is known as leaf venation. Let's move towards another question. Do you agree that stem is like a two-way street? Let's understand this. Two-way street means a street in which vehicle can move forward as well as backward direction. The stem is act like a two-way street because stem carries water absorbed by the root to the leaves and also the food prepared by the leaves to root. Thus it acts like a two-way street. As stem is attached to the roots and as well as with the leaves, the water and the minerals which are absorbed by the roots are moved upward with the help of stem and transported to different parts of the plant. And the food which is prepared by the leaf is transported to rest part and root through the stem. Hence it is known as two-way stream. Question 4. Name the main part of a flower. The main part of a flower are petals, sepals, pistil and stamens. Let's move toward another question. What are ovules? Draw their structure. These are the ovules. Ovules are small bead-like structure inside the ovary. They later develop into seeds. Basically, ovules are bead-like structure like this. They are basically present inside the ovary. This is ovary and these are the ovules, and they later develop into the seeds. Name the reproductive parts of a flower and also draw them. Reproductive parts are those parts which help to reproduce a new offspring or a new plant. So the reproductive parts of a flower are female part pistil, and under pistil style ovary and stigma come. Male part is stamen, and under stamen filamented and anther come. Let's understand this with the help of diagram. This is the picture of a common flower. These colorful parts are the petals. This green bottom part is its sepal, and the yellowish part which is showing here, the upper part of this yellow part is anther, and this a long tube is a filament, and they are the male part, and we call the male part stamen. And in the green, the center part, the top part is stigma, and this long tube is a style, and the bottom swollen part is a ovary. Inside ovary, ovules are present. These are the ovules, small bead-like structure, and these three parts are the female part, and the female part is known as the pistil. So this is all about the question answer. Thank you, students.